Okay, and then our next task is to disconnect these two catalytic converter sensors, oxygen sensor and AF sensor, what is in little bit upper in this catalytic converter. This is catalytic converter, that big tube in here, and this is exhaust pipe, and there is this rear areas oxygen sensor, and in this up area we can see in there like hidden this AF sensor, and there comes these cables. This is this rear cable and this is front cable, and next we open these both cables. And there is this first cable, and when we take that cable slot away, there are these connectors. We can see these pins. We carefully move that area in back, and we can bend these two connectors. There are two connectors both sides, and after that this connector opens. And this is this trick, and this is really this BMW's engineering. Look, these are nice connectors, and there are really small pins in here. And we can see that in my case they are actually a little bit broken, but this is engineering, and they are normally two, but in my case there is second big one in here, and let's open this one next. Here is this next, and this is from this front areas AF sensor, and this part opens so that I press this side in here, this one, and then I pull out this thing. Sometimes it opens easily, but sometimes this is stuck. Okay, and I have to work with this. Looks easy. I need to only press this area and pull out. Easy, like hamburger eating in White House. Okay, but this is stuck. Let's take better close and more force. Okay, and now when we look that connector, and when I have let her close and more power, now this connector opens. It is easy job. And now we have to also remove these cables in that area, a little bit far away, because we take that engine away, and that's these connectors. They have to be in that way away. Excellent, looks good. Then I have to move these cables in this up area, totally in here. But let's look at what we need to open next. Next part is that we have to disconnect this gearbox reverse gearbox sensor, and there is one sensor that opens easily when I press this central area in that way, and I have to take this cable also away in here totally in that way, and this is like gearbox position sensor, easy to open.